Good afternoon, friends, and welcome. I'll be sharing live trades and results with you. We'll be evaluating how well these trades work out. We'll be benchmarking this against the S&P 500. I'm expecting to be outperforming it every month. Along the way, I'll also be sharing some lessons I've learned about investments, trading, and building wealth. And of course, the mandatory disclaimer. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It should not be interpreted as advice. And with that, let's get into it. Well, it is the 29th of October and we are on trade 29. As you may remember, we've been having a little challenge this year. Our last trade, we went in at the end of the day here and we exited the following day. We actually made a little money on that trade. You know, great question. Should we stay in or get out? We're always looking for a lower price. The next day, the market gapped down, and which would be a lower price, and had it stayed there or gone a little lower, that would have been a really good thing. But it ended up running up a little bit by the end of the day, a little higher than our exit price. But we've been sitting on the sidelines quite a lot, and so Adam has decided to go in right at this level. So we're going to watch that trade go in live. You can see that order going in, and when the line turns yellow, that order is filled and trade 29 is on. Well, the following day, let's take a look at what happened. We have our entry price here that's marked at the yellow bar. The following day, slight gap down and another run down. Here is a great question. What do we do? Well, Adam's going to go ahead and take an exit. And before I make that exit, you can kind of see where I got the name of this video. I'm gaining a little bit here. I'm losing a little bit here. These two trades are basically going to cancel themselves out, but we'll go ahead and watch this order go in live. We're going to take an exit here. That order goes in, and this trade is over. 2, 1. Let's head over to our tracking sheet and see how we're doing. All right, that trade closed on October 30th. We were only in for a day. The S&P 500 was at 580.01. There was a little bit of drop in the S&P, 0.37. That brings its year-to-date total of the buy and hold strategy to 22.03. Well, we lost a little bit on that. We lost 0.67%. That brings our year-to-date total to 8.809. Again, a miserable performance there. It's also brought our beat the market factor back into, back below where it was. We gained a little on our last trade at this level, and then now we're back to where we were. So again, I think the performance here is miserable. We're just hoping that in the next, 2 months, we can pick up a little bit and see if we can't get into, back at least a 1 on the beat the market factor. And we'll have to find out what happens on our next video. That's it for today. How do you think we're doing? Please comment below and let me know how this compares to other investments you've seen. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only and should not be taken or interpreted as advice. Until next time.